Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus RX. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include heated front seats, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.